This week, Giant Mouse is going to be releasing the Shank Sharpeners Union exclusive of the Jutland Slipjoint. You got this beautiful overall aesthetic with the black and brass, that amazing micro milling on the brass scales. They also have the weight reduction, the milling on the inside of each scale. S90V blade steel. I'm about to show you what this thing is capable of. The walk and talk is phenomenal. Trust me on that. Just love the overall aesthetic on this one. Let's go see what it can do.